Hello parents, today we're going to be talking about modeling division of decimals. So let's get started with our problem. Jaden had 81 feet of rope for a project. He cut the rope into 9 equal pieces. What is the length of each piece of rope? So I have a total of 81 feet of rope. So this is my total. And he's going to cut it into 9 pieces. That means I'm going to have 9 equal groups. So I'm going to be dividing. Now, if you look here, I have my model. One big square is equal to one whole. So each long is a tenth, and each square will be 100th of a whole. I'm going to divide this into 9 equal groups. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask myself, do I have enough longs to split into 9 groups? No. But I do have enough squares to make 9 equal groups. So I'm just going to start counting. To where I have 9 equal groups. Well, I know that 9 times 9 equals 81. So that means I'm probably going to need 9 little squares in each one of my groups. So I'm going to make sure that when I'm done, I'm going to have 9 hundredths, because each square is 100. So let's start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is one group. So this is 9 hundredths, or 9 little squares. I'm going to count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 2 groups. Now I'm going to keep doing this until I have 9 equal groups. So if we look here, and just to help me, I'm going to put numbers. This is one group, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 9 equal groups, and all I can do is just count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 hundredths are in each group. Now let's do one where we have a whole. So I'm going to change my problems out. Mrs. Smith is going to give $1.50 to her 3 grandchildren. She wants each grandchild to receive the same amount of money. How much money will each child receive? Well, I know she has $1.50. That is going to represent my total. And she's going to split it equally, or give it to 3 grandchildren. Now the problem says the same amount. She wants each grandchild to give the same amount. So the same amount means I'm going to be dividing. I'm dividing $1.50 into 3 grandkids. Okay, so let's get started. I have one whole, and I have to ask myself, what is one whole? What does the square represent? One whole. So this is one whole dollar, and this is 50 cents. Do I have enough dollars to give to 3 grandchildren? No, I only have $1. So that means I'm going to have to break this up into longs, or tenths. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I have 15 longs. Can I divide it into groups of 3? Yes, because I know 3 times 5 will give me 15. So if I look here, I need to make 5 and 3. I need to make groups of 3, and in each group there need to be 5 longs. So this is going to be 50, or 5 tenths, or 50 cents. So I'm going to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is one grandchild. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is another grandchild. One, two, three, four, five. This is another grandchild. So I was able to take $1.50 and split it equally between 3 grandchildren. If I count how much I have in each group, so this is 1, 2, 3, each group has 5 longs or 50 cents. So, if you have any questions about modeling decimals, you can send me an email. You can send me a message through Microsoft Teams, Class Dojo, or Google Classroom.